Hi guys, Shannon and Michael here with Healthcare Genius, and this is part 3 of our video series on the best and most meaningful gifts that you can give your loved ones around the holiday season. And so today what we want to talk to you about is the importance of funding for healthcare in retirement. And I know for a lot of people it seems like it's so far away and it's just not really at the forefront of their worries, but we're here to tell you why it should be. As we've talked about in our other videos, healthcare costs in retirement keep going up. We've talked a lot about all the holes in Medicare and how scary that can be, and particularly for young people. By the time we retire, it's going to be out of control. And so the best thing that you can do for yourself and for your family members is talk about what's our plan going to be for funding for healthcare in retirement. The best way that you can do that is through tax-free vehicles that will allow you to cover those out-of-pocket costs of healthcare in retirement. But Michael's going to tell us about some of the different ways that we can do that, and we can help others do that actually.
Yeah, Shannon, the health savings accounts, which have been around for a while, are really some of the best ways to fund for healthcare costs because the money going in is tax deductible. If your employer offers one, a lot of times they'll do it through your paycheck, so you don't even notice it. If not, you can file on your tax return the contribution that you make and get the deduction when you file your taxes. So HSAs are really the best. Although a lot of people don't have a high deductible health plan, which is what you have to have in order to be able to contribute to an HSA, anybody can make a contribution into somebody's HSA. Mm-hmm. So your grandparent, if you didn't have the dollars to do that, or you wanted to give them an idea of what they could do for you, they can contribute to that HSA for you. That way you have those dollars there. The gift tax exclusion is $15,000 this year. At least that's what it's expected to be. So anybody can give $15,000 away to each family member and not incur taxes on that. So that's really a great way to do it. There are other ways, though. A lot of times we use life insurance products, permanent life insurance products, like Universal Life or Whole Life or Index Universal Life, to contribute money into that will then be used somewhere down the road to pay for healthcare costs on a tax-free basis. Life insurance has this unique provision that allows you to take money out through loans without having to pay taxes in most cases. Those are a couple of ways that we think when we're looking at this that family members can help their children and grandchildren fund for healthcare costs. And remember, it doesn't have to just be used in retirement. It can also be used while you're working still to pay your out-of-pocket costs that are there. Mm-hmm. If you're curious about what your healthcare costs will likely look like in retirement, or you want to educate your children or your grandchildren on what their healthcare costs may look like in retirement, we've actually built a tool that can make some pretty good projections about what those costs might be, whatever your age is, your income, your tax bracket. And so if you click on one of our links below, it'll take you to a short quiz and we'll provide you with a report of what that amount looks like so you can start planning ahead for the future. So again, this is just one of 4 different ways that we recommend you give a meaningful gift to a loved one around the holiday season, or really any time when you feel it's important. Make sure you check out our other 2 videos on both the importance of life insurance and on income replacement insurance. And stay tuned for our next video where we'll talk about long-term care. Thanks a lot, and make sure you subscribe to our Healthcare Genius videos. Click the bell to be notified when we come out with new stuff, and like all of our videos.